In the previous tutorial, we discussed how to select melodies in the Data tab. In this tutorial, we will explain how you can use the MeloSpyGUI to extract features from melodies. Let's check the Process tab. By default, the visualization is set to No, which means that the MeloSpyGUI will only extract audio features. So we are good to go. In the center part of the Process tab, you can see several feature categories. If you click on the triangle on the left side of a category, all features within that category will be shown together with a short description. If you hold your mouse cursor over a feature for 2 seconds, the feature description will also show as a tooltip. In a similar way, you can open a list of sub-features that are included in each feature. Again, a description is shown on the right side. Currently, over 530 features are available. You can check the online documentation for more details. Also, it is explained there how you can define your own features. You can select features by left-clicking. You will see that they immediately show up in the selected feature list below. For convenience, you can also click on Features or Feature Categories to select all sub-features below. If you want to remove features from your selection, just click on them in the selected feature list. If you want to start all over again, you can also click on the Remove All Features button. Before we start the feature extraction, let's have a short look to the Options tab. You can specify the output folder in the output directory option and the output file name here. The MeloSpyGUI will save the extracted features as a CSV file. This format can be easily read by different programs such as Excel, OpenOffice or SPSS. The decimal point allows you to change the delimiter and decimal sign convention used for storing feature values. Depending on your local installation language and the software you use, this has to be changed to comma in order to receive a correct display. Let's finish this tutorial with an example. Again, we select all solos from Miles Davis as it was explained in the previous tutorial. Then we go back to the Process tab. First, we will select the General Solo Metadata feature from the Metadata feature category. This feature includes useful metadata annotation for solos of the Weimar Jazz database, such as the name of the artist and the title. Also, we want to extract the chordal pitch class histogram features, which you can find under Pitch CPC features. Let's select all features by left-clicking on them. These features provide a histogram over chordal pitch classes, which are the pitch classes of the tones with respect to the accompanying chord. We start the feature extraction using the Start Processing button. After the feature extraction is finished, we can open the result file or result folder using the 2 buttons below. Let's have a closer look to the results. The number at the end of the feature names indicate the interval between the melody notes and the root note of the corresponding chord. For instance, the CPC Hist Density 0 feature tells us how many % of all notes in the solo were the root note of the corresponding chord. Here we can observe that in the solo from Miles Davis over So What, around 22% of all notes were root notes. In contrast, this holds true for only 7% of the notes in the Dolores solo. In the next tutorial, we'll have a closer look on how to visualize audio features in the Process tab.